Hello everyone, welcome to Satyanesh. Now we are here with the second part of the lesson circles. Before watching this video, please check the first part of circles. In the first part, we have discussed the equation of circle in different forms such as parametric form, direct form and slope form. Okay. Now, let's start this video with a point with respect to the circle. Let's take a circle C1 with center h comma k. Let a point P in the plane and its coordinates are x and y. The radius of circle is r. First one, finding the maximum and minimum distance between center and the point P. First of all, to find the distance, first of all we have to draw a line to circle C1 center and the point P. Okay. Now we have to check whether CP is maximum when P is placed at which distance and CP is minimum when C is placed at which distance, right? Now, first of all, CP can also be written as, let us assume a point A here which is on the circle. CP can be written as CA plus AP, right? CA plus AP, where CA is the radius. R plus AP is equals to CP. Okay? Right? Next. R plus AB must be greater than 0, then only we can say that the point is outside the circle. If R is less than AP, then it is said to be the point P lies inside the circle, and then for finding the distance we use CP is equals to CA minus AP. When this distance will be minimum? When the point P is equals to the center of the circle C1, which is x must be equals to h and y must be equals to k. So this is the equation or the expression for a point inside the circle, and CP is equals to CA plus AP. This is the expression for a point which lies outside the circle, where CA is R, okay, this is R, radius. Okay, hope you got it. Next, we will discuss when a line or else a line intersecting the circle. If at all this is a circle and there is a line which passes through a circle, or else which cut the circle at 2 points, center of the circle is h comma k, let the line be y is equals to mx plus c. The equation of circle is, or else let's take it as x comma y, okay, x square plus y square is equals to r square is the equation of circle. Okay, yeah, we all know that the circle would pass through the center of circle would be the origin. Okay, these are the conditions for the equations that we have to. Y is equals to mx plus c and x square plus y square equals to r square. This is the circle equation and this is the line equation. Now, if we see here, which line intersects the circle at 2 points. That means a point on the line and the circle where we can put the value of y is equals to mx plus c of the line in the equation of the circle. So I am going to replace the value of y in the circle as mx plus c. X square plus mx plus c whole square is equals to r square. This is the way we can find the 2 points of a circle where a line is intersected to the circle. Okay, these are the points, and there is a condition for which it is a chord. See, we all know that the intersection of 2 points in a circle is known as a chord, right? The largest chord in the circle is diameter. Okay, if r is less than mod c by under root 1 plus m square. C is radius, right? C by under root 1 plus m square. If we expand this equation, what we will get? M square x square plus c square plus 2 mxc plus r square, right, is equals to r square. If we take x square common, 1 plus m square plus c square is equals to r square minus 2mx. So x square is equals to r square minus 2mx plus c square by under root 1 plus, sorry, c square by 1 plus m square, and here also by 1 plus m square. Okay, so the condition for a line to intersect the circle is r must be less than mod c by under root 1 plus m square, and the condition for which a line that does not intersect the x-axis or else the circle is r is equals r must be greater than mod c by under root 1 plus m square. And the very important condition is a line touching the circle, which is also known as a tangent. Okay, yeah, this is a circle and a line which touches the circle exactly at one point, which is known as a tangent. The condition for tangent must be r is equals to mod c by under root 1 plus m square. This is a very important condition which we will use in many formulas. Okay, see what we have done, we replace the value of y is equals to mx, or else the value of y, which means the line in the equation of circle, x square plus y square is equals to r square, and we replace y is equals to mx plus c, and further we expanded, here we get c square by 1 plus m square. Okay, and from here r is equals to mod c by under root 1 plus m square is the condition for a line to touch the circle at only one point, and this is the condition for the line touching circle at 2 points, and r greater than mod c by under root 1 plus m square is a condition for the line which does not touch the circle. Okay, the next is standard equation for the tangent of a circle. As we discussed before, this is the tangent to a circle. X square plus y square is equals to r square, and this is the line y is equals to mx plus c, right? The condition is r must be equals to mod c by under root 1 plus m square. Now we can say that mod c is equals to r under root 1 plus m square, right? I brought this root of 1 plus m square to LHS and multiplied with r. So in the place of c, we can write y is equals to mx plus c plus, as mod c is there here, we write c is equals to plus or minus r under root 1 plus m square. So in the place of c, I am going to write plus or minus r under root 1 plus m square. So this is the standard equation for a line or else for a tangent to a circle. With this, here the center is at origin, which is 0, 0. What if the center is at h, k? Simply we subtract y minus k is equals to m into x minus h plus or minus r under root 1 plus m square. Okay, in this way we got the standard equation of a tangent to a circle. Y is equals to mx plus or minus r under root 1 plus m square, where r is the radius and m is the slope of the line. This is the slope of the line. This is m, or else tan theta is equals to m. We all know which is nothing but slope. Okay. And now let's discuss about the tangent of circles in brief. Tangent of a circle. Okay. First of all, let's discuss different equations or different forms of a tangent of a circle. First one is point form. If this is a circle, this is a tangent to a circle. Okay. Let us assume that the tangent of circle touches the circle at x1, y1 point. This is a point of coordinates x1, y1. Now the equation of circle is x square plus y square is equals to r square. So now we can write xx1 plus yy1 is equals to r square. This is the point form of a circle. As the point is passing through circle, we can write xx1 plus yy1 is equals to r square. And this is the equation of tangent of the circle. This is equation of tangent of circle. X square plus y square is equals to r square. And another one is the second degree equation. We all know that when 2h is 0 and the coefficient of x square and y square must be equal, then only a second degree equation is said to be a equation of circle. This point I have said in the first part of circles. Please watch it. So x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. So this is the equation of the circle. And if at all they ask to find the point form of circle where the tangent passes through the point x1, y1. Same here, the coordinates are not there, coordinate axes are not there. This is a random circle and x comma y, x1 comma y1 is a point which lies on the circle. Similarly, as we have done here, in the place of x square, we put xx1, replace x square as xx1 and y square as yy1 and 2x as x plus x1 and 2y as y plus y1. These are the transformations which we have to do for changing a circle equation to a point form of a tangent equation. Now the tangent equation for this will be xx1 plus yy1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c is equals to 0. So this is the point form. of the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Hope you understood. And the last part is parametric form of a tangent of a circle and point of intersection of a circle. Second one is parametric form. This is a circle and this is a tangent to a circle. Okay. Now let's take the circle equation as x square plus y square is equals to r square. In the first video of circles, we have discussed the parametric form of a circle, in which I have said that x is equals to, x can be written as r cos theta and y can be written as r sin theta, right? Okay. So I am using that property here, and let's take this point as x1 and y1. So first of all, use the point form. Put this x1 plus y1 is equals to r square, and now here I am using the point as here, and this is a triangle, right? If I assume this as theta, we can get x1 as r cos theta and y1 as r sin theta. So x1 and y1. In the place of x1, I am going to put r cos theta. In the place of y1, I am going to put r sin theta. X into r cos theta plus y into r sin theta is equals to r square. Bringing r common and cancel with the right side r square. X cos theta plus y sin theta is equals to r square. R gets cancelled, and the remaining equation is x cos theta plus y sin theta is equals to r. So this is the parametric form of a tangent of a circle. Okay. The first equation that we have learned for the tangent of a circle, which is y is equals to mx plus or minus r under root 1 plus m square, right? This is also known as slope form. Slope form, okay? And from this, we can derive that contact point of tangent and circle, which has a formula plus or minus rm by under root 1 plus m square, comma plus or minus r by under root 1 plus m square. This is the formula to find the point of contact of circle and its tangent, which is, this is the point and its coordinate are rm by under root 1 plus m square, comma plus or minus r by under root 1 plus m square, where r is the radius of the circle and m is the slope of the line. What else? The tangent. That's it for today. Please like, share and subscribe to Satyan's channel. If there are any comments or suggestions, please drop them in the comment box. Thank you.